friends, today we're going to make the van stealth mode. Check it out. Okay, non-stealth, wide open with all the lights on. This will give you an idea of what the van camper looks like with no reflectiix or curtains. Pretty lit up. Curtain half drawn there. No tinted windows. Pretty bright. And then of course you have the regular stock mode, which is the white curtains, which is nice and all at a campground. But if you're boondocking at a Walmart or a Cracker Barrel, pretty obvious you're sleeping inside with all the white drapes. And I'm not trying to fool anybody. I mean, this definitely looks like a camper. But what I'm trying to do is to make it look like there's no one in the camper. And maybe that it's just parked somewhere on the street. Another dead giveaway is I don't have solar at the top of the roof vent. Now to do some tracing with a marker and cutting to the size of the window. So as you can see, I got some reflectiix here, both sides silver. I'll show you how easy it is to put these in here. I'm sure some of you have seen these installed before, but it is rather easy. Rather easy. And then I just make a little cutout here for the window opening. And there you have it. The thing is, when you shut this, it just doesn't look so good. Kind of looks NASA spacey looking. And it looks like someone's living inside. So we need to darken this with some paint. The other thing I was going to show you as far as the inside, if you want to stay stealth mode, I leave the seats open and I put a curtain right up here. And how I do that, here in my closet, don't mind the mess, I picked up one of these car hangers that go in the back of your van for hanging up clothes, garments. And what I do is I hang it up here. It's got a little flap right there that I can put on the ledge. Same thing with the opposite side. Trying to do this one-handed. Just comes out and rests like that. Close the door. One bar, and I can adjust this anywhere, as far up in the cabin as I want, or towards the back. I can even come all the way back to here, the very back of the closet. Just a regular old single sheet. And slide it over. And there you have it. All set up within a minute. One big wall of curtain. And again, I can adjust this, slide it any way I want it to. If I want it a little closer to the front, I can move it like that. Show what it looks like outside. There's the side of it. And again, it's just a blanket. I may do drapes someday, but this works pretty good for now. And when it's dark, like that looks like a blanket, but when it's darker, it just looks like an abandoned vehicle. Okay, as you can see, I got reflectiix in the back window. The tinfoil shiny side on the back, and the black, flat black on the outer window side. And of course, I didn't put anything on the driver's side nor the passenger side, only because it's so tinted that it really didn't need it. And the lighting in here won't be this bright for stealth. I'm just giving you an idea of what it looks like from the inside with lights on. Same it goes as the two double doors. Got the reflectiix up on those to block out light. And of course here we would have a sheet to block out from the front, because we want to keep the captain chairs open just so it looks like a regular parked vehicle. So this is stealth mode. I may have a computer running, I may have TV, I may not. I'll have a little Lucy light over here, which is great. It's solar, usually lasts 6 hours. And then I'll turn around here, and this is what it looks like from the outside. I like to leave my famous 3-window road truck windows open just to look around, see what's going on. Let's see what it looks like outside. Alright, kind of imagine that we're sitting in a Walmart parking lot. See the little road truck lights? I don't see anything going through. Looks pretty stealth. A little glare from the reflectiix. Here's the back window. I don't have any reflectiix because the mirror, because the window is tinted. And here's the back. I have reflectiix in the back. Just looks like a tinted window. No reflectiix on this back window because it's tinted. Same here. And there's your front. So what we're trying to accomplish here is stealth. And I think we've done that. Except the jet. He's not stealth. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Share, like, and subscribe for future videos. Catch y'all later.